The tale of the mnemonic's journey. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a young apprentice named Leo. Leo was determined to become a skilled mnemonic, able to recall thousands of words with ease. He sought out the wise old mnemonic master Max, who lived on the other side of the forest. Leo embarked on a journey to find Master Max, facing many challenges along the way. Finally, after crossing the forest, he arrived at Master Max's tower. The wise old man welcomed Leo and agreed to teach him the secrets of mnemonics. Master Max taught Leo the secret of association. Imagine a fantastical journey. He said, associate each word with a vivid image and link them together in a story. Leo's first word was apple. He imagined a juicy red apple hanging from a tree. The next word was dog. He pictured a playful dog jumping up to grab the apple. As Leo continued his journey, he associated each word with an image and linked them together. He visualized a cat chasing the dog, a house where the cat lived, and a car parked outside the house. He imagined driving the car to a beach where he saw a boat sailing across the sea. Leo's journey continued, with each word triggering a new image and story. He associated cloud with a fluffy white cloud floating above the boat rain, with a stormy shower soaking the cloud, and umbrella with a colorful umbrella shielding him from the rain. When Leo wanted to recall the words, he simply took the journey again, and the images brought the words to mind. He remembered every word from apple to umbrella. Master Max was impressed. You have learned the secret of mnemonics. Leo, now go forth and share your knowledge with others. Leo returned to his village where he taught others how to use mnemonics to improve their memory. He became known as the greatest mnemonic of all time, and people came from far and wide to learn from him. Moral: by associating words with vivid images and linking them together in a story, you can remember even the most difficult words with ease.